Hi, I'm back and I'm gonna reteach you how to introduce yourself in the Kikuyu language. So it's been so long since the last time I did a video. It's been more than a year. Yeah, because I'm with my baby and she just turned a year old, and I decided to come back to YouTube and continue doing the lessons with you. So I'm happy that you're here. Welcome back to Kikuyu with Wanjiru. And today I'm about to teach you how to introduce yourself again. I know we did that in this lesson, but trust me, this one will be better. And by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to introduce yourself and other people as individuals or as a collective. So stick around. In today's lesson, we have a little teacher. So you're gonna have to watch till the end because the little teacher also has something to tell you. Yeah? Okay. So first, if you are at an event or you're somewhere that people want to know your name, in the Kikuyu language, they'll say, wemenyithanie, because to introduce yourself is kwemenyithania. So you say kwemenyithania. And as we've learned before, when we have Gĩkũyũ verbs, ko means to or go. When a verb starts with ko or go, it means to. So that means introduce yourself alone without the to part will be emenyithania. Now, the prefixes for everyone are here. For me, we either start with nda, nja, nga, or nya. For all the tenses, my prefixes, me, I, will always start with da. Will always start with da, ja, nya, or nga. Are we together? Now, for us, it's either to or tw. For you, it's either o or w. For you all, it's either mo or mw. For he or she, which you say we, always start with a. Yeah. For them or they, we always start with ma. So when I'm teaching you how to introduce yourself, I'll also teach you how to use these prefixes with the introduction part, okay? We will start with the name. Name is retwa. To be called is gwetwo. So be called is etwo. So to ask someone, what is your name? We always say wetagwo atia, which translates to what do they call you or how do they call you? Wetagwo atia. Now we say ni I jetagwo, I am called Wanjiru. Ni jetagwo Wanjiru. Or you could always say retwa riakwa ne Wanjiru. Now that is when you're asked Wanjiru. Wanjiru. So that is when you're asked twire retwa riaku. Tell us your name. Twire retwa riaku. And yes, I am teaching my daughter Gĩkũyũ. So, wetagwo atia? Nie njĩtagwo Wanjiru. Nie njĩtagwo Wanjiru. Twĩre rĩtwa rĩaku. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjiru. Now, let's use all the other prefixes. I told you about etwo to be called. So we are saying jitagwo because it is usually, like I am usually called Wanjiru. So my prefix, the prefix here for me or I or nie is me, is the NJ, jetagwo. But if we were to say we are called, do you remember the prefixes? The prefixes for us were either to or TW. Uga to, tuetagwo. So if we were to say we are called, we just replace the NJ with the to. Toetagwo, jetagwo, tuetagwo. Ithui tuetagwo bare ya whose family? Mwaura. Ithui tuetagwo. For you, the question is wetagwo atia. So same way I would say, where wetagwo Jerry? Are you called Jerry? Where wetagwo Jerry? So here we replace the NJ with W. Wetagwo Jerry with W. Wetagwo Jerry. Wetagwo atia. For you all. You all. Yes, for you all, we use the mo. Mwetagwo bare yao. Inyue mwetagwo bare yao. And then you respond with ithui tuetagwo bare ya mwe bare yao. The third person, he or she, we will say aetagwo. But when a and a are together, we say e. So here, instead of saying aetagwo atia, we say etagwo. Oyo, etagwo wajiko. Tagwo wajiko. Wajiko. Good. High five. Gaibia. Wajiko. Now for them, we will use maetagwo, which becomes me. Metagwo bare yao. Aya o metagwo bare yao. Metagwo bare ya jogona. Now, with that, you're able to introduce yourself, you're able to introduce you as a family, to introduce them.